and today's topic is objective questions on bank assurance. Now, what is bank assurance? Bank assurance means insurance which is being sold through the bank's branches is known as bank assurance. So, very important topic because you might be seeing today the main focus of all the banking is basically insurance selling, isn't it? So, watch this video till the end. Let's start. Bank assurance means, first question itself, bank assurance means, so A, the selling of the life insurance, assurance and other insurance products and services by banking institutions. Okay, so selling of life assurance and other insurance product and services by banking institutions. Okay, selling of life assurance and other insurance products and services by NBFCs. Selling of only life insurance assurance products and services by banking institutions. The selling of general insurance assurance products and services by banking institutions. So what can be the answer of this? Either A, B, C or D. Yeah, correct. What can be the answer? What do you think? By bank or even NBFCs are included over here, because even NBFCs sell the insurance now. So is it only life insurance or is it related to general insurance also, or only general insurance, as in D? Yeah, the answer is correct. A, the selling of life insurance and other insurance products and services by the banking institutions. Got it? That is basically bank assurance. Bank assurance, see here, BANC, bank, see here, actually it's K, so it is attached over here. So BANC and assurance. Okay, so always remember, you will see these words assurance over here. Do they say insurance over here? The selling of life insurance or life assurance? Yeah, and other insurance products. Here others are called as insurance products. Okay, so what is the difference between insurance and assurance? Here actually you don't have to go into these details. Okay, in exam these things are not asked. Okay, but assurance means what? It's a sort of guarantee given by A to B that if something happens to you, then I will pay you. That's assurance. Okay, and insurance means what? It's basically the one and the same thing nowadays it's being used. Okay, insurance means again the same thing, means if something happens to you, we'll pay you. But we generally call this real word as assurance. Okay, insurance had actually come up as an assurance word. The nomination of insurance can be made only in favor of, so the nomination can be made in favor of whom? Parents, spouse and children, spouse or any individual. So the nomination can be made for whom? Who can tell me? Yeah, the nomination can be made to parents. Suppose if I am having this insurance policy, I can nominate whom? Parents, spouse, children, spouse or anyone. What do you think? What do you think is a case in savings account? In savings account, let's say somebody comes to you for savings account, okay, and that person wants to nominate somebody. So whom can that person nominate? Can that person in savings account, can that person nominate only his parents, spouse and children, spouse or any individual? Right? It is any individual. Same logic applies over here also. I can nominate anyone for my insurance policy. Anyone. Okay? Nobody can question me. Okay? Before going ahead, download Adda 24/7 app on your mobile. In this app, you will be getting all the premium study materials plus live classes, ebooks, tests, everything, whatever is required for JAIIB and CIIB clearance, you will get it over here. So download it right now. The person who seeks protection against a risk and to whom the insurance policy is issued is known as, means here, the person who seeks protection against the risk means what? Here, this is the insurance company, let's say SBI Life. Okay, SBI Life, this is the insurance company. So this company is selling the insurance, right? So somebody is buying the insurance. Who's this buyer? This buyer is called as what? Insurer, customer, insured or creditor. So this person will be known as what? Creditor. Creditor case is not there in insurance, isn't it? So it is customer. Sure, either it's B or C, right? Insurer is this life SBI Life. This company is known as insurer. Okay. Then it is insured, correct? Customer is not the right word in insurance. It's only the contract between the insurer and the insured. Okay. So it is called as insured. Okay. IRDAI stands for. So IRDAI means what? Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India. You all see this name on the regular basis, isn't it? IRDA. We generally call it IRDA only in India instead of IRDAI. Real word is IRDAI, but we call only IRDA. So it is Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India, Industrial Development and Development Authority, Insurance Restructuring and Development Authority, Insurance Refinancing and Development Authority. So it is called as what? Refinancing. Insurance refinancing is totally different business. Okay. So that is not included over here. Insurance restructuring. Restructuring, it's not, up till now it's not there as such in the market. Okay. So the correct word is Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India. Got it? Insurance Regulatory and Development means what? See here, the main role of IRDAI over here in India is two parts: regulation and development. Who is the regulator for banks? Banks, the regulator is, okay, let me get the names over here. For banks, the regulator is everyone. Who gives me the answer? Who's the regulator for banks? Just now. Okay, type it in the comment section. Everyone. Who's the regulator for banks? Yeah? RBI, correct. Second one, who's the regulator for mutual funds? MFI, right? Okay, mutual funds. Who's the regulator for MF? Yeah? Who gives the directions on MF, mutual funds? Who can give me? Yeah, it is AMFI. Okay, Association of Mutual Funds of India. Who is the regulator for stocks, shares? Shares regulator means who controls the shares. Okay, share market you can call it. Okay, market. Let's combine this. Share market. Who's the regulator for that? It is. Who gives me the correct answer? This is the difficult one, isn't it? Who's the regulator for share market? It is. Yes. Who's it? SEBI, correct? SEBI, Securities and Exchange Board of India, correct? So these are the three main regulators, four main regulators in India: IRDA, RBI, AMFI, and SEBI. There are many other regulators as well. You can call the telecom authority also, try. But we are not into that. We are only into finance. Okay. So let's focus on only financial part. Okay. Yeah. Select the expanded form of SA as commonly used in the life insurance. So SA is used where? In life insurance policy. SA. Okay. Where is it used? Who can tell me? Okay, just give me the answer. Yeah. Yes. Yeah, SA. Okay. Who can give me the answer? SA is generally used in? Correct. Okay, it is used in sum assured. Okay. Surrender of assurance, supplementary assurance, Stamp Act. Stamp Act has nothing to do with this life insurance, right? So this is out. Supplementary assurance, nothing. Surrender of assurance, nothing. Okay. So the right answer is sum assured. What do you mean by sum assured? Sum assured means this is the amount which I will be getting if some risk happens. Okay. Means when we say I am taking this insurance policy for 10 lakhs. So this 10 lakhs is actually sum assured. Okay, this 10 lakhs, whatever I am saying, is actually sum assured. Okay, so got it everybody? Yeah. Okay, let's move on. Before going ahead, subscribe to Officers Adda 24/7 YouTube channel. In this channel, you will be getting number 1, latest updates on JAIIB and CIIB. Number 2, You'll be getting all the YouTube series, free YouTube series on JAIIB and CIB. Free YouTube means right now what are you watching? The same free YouTube series. Okay. Hull insurance is related to, in case of, means hull insurance. What do you mean by hull? Hull insurance. What is hull? Hull insurance is basically, hull is what? Okay, forget this. What is hull basically in this? Yeah. It is an anchor. It is related to ships. Okay. Hull insurance means it is related to shipping. Okay. Hull insurance is mainly in marine insurance. Marine. Okay. It's an important part in export and imports. Here, marine insurance, many of us don't see at all in our daily life, but it is the main insurance in all the shipping companies. Whenever you do any export or import, you have to get that insurance policy or certificate, whatever it may be. Okay, so this insurance, marine insurance, is an important part in any of the import and export, because if tomorrow something happens to the ship while sailing, who will pay for the loss? The loss is huge. There are oil containers worth billions of rupees or dollars, billions of dollars. Who will pay for that? Isn't it? In case of life insurance, HLV refers to HLV, home legal value, human life value, human legal value, and house length value. Now this is something tricky one. Huh? Let's see how many of you can answer. Yeah. Human life value. How do you calculate this human life value? Yeah. Here it is called as human life value. Correct. Human life value. In case of HLV, it means human life value. What is this human life value and how is it calculated? Okay, let me show you. Okay, let's see this, because you need to know these basics. Okay, let me show you how to calculate the human life value. See this sheet here. I won't be showing you in details, but I can just show you the sheet at least. How is it done? Annual income of the assured, then personal expenditures of the assured, then net contribution of the assured. Contribution means what? Annual income minus expenses. This much is the income. Contribution you can call it. Then present age of the assured. Then expected age of retirement. Then total productive years. How many productive years? Okay. Then expected annual average return on the investment. So what is the expected return I am expecting on that investment? Expected average income growth rate. Discounting rate means this can be called as the inflation. Then expected average income growth rate. Okay, and after calculating all these values, you get this HLV, estimated human life value. So that's why HLV is an important concept. Always remember in insurance, because our insurance policy is always based on HLV. If somebody is worth earning roughly, let's say 10,000 rupees per month. Okay. If somebody is earning 10,000 per month and tomorrow 10k per month, tomorrow if that person or some family members of that person comes to you for an insurance policy of, let's say, 100 crores for this person, that person is ready to pay the premium. Okay, that person is ready to pay the premium, but will you give him that insurance? No, because the HLV doesn't count that much. 10k per month means per year 1.2k. Then if you go accordingly, roughly the age of that person, let's consider 75-80, then also 100 crores is a huge amount. So that's why HLV of any person is his present income minus present expenses, expected number of years, and those number of years will be always then all the expected income growth rates, then inflation rates, all these are calculated, and based on that HLV is given, and insurance policy for that person is given based on that HLV only. You can't give any amount of insurance policy to any customer. Remember, human life value or ideal life cover is a number that tells the present value of the future income, expenses, liabilities and investments, right? So present value of the future income means how many years that person will live, okay? And after living means what would be the expenses, expected returns, all these things, okay? Which product offered by insurance companies that, unlike pure insurance policy, gives investors both insurance and investment under the single integrated plan? So what is the product which you are selling? You guys are also selling many of these products: money back, endowment, term insurance, and ULIP, unit linked insurance plan. So which are the products which you guys are selling mainly? So insurance companies, investment also and insurance also, okay? Both the things should be there. So what can be the answer for this? It is money back, endowment. Money back means what? Whatever I pay, it's a sort of endowment only, okay? But money back means every some 5 years I'll be getting some lump sum amount. That's money back. Endowment means I'll be getting this amount at the end of the period, end of the maturity. Term means whatever I pay, I won't get it at all. Or whatever is paid is gone. Okay. So the right answer is ULIP, unit linked insurance plan. ULIP invests the amount in two things: debts and equities, depending on what the customer tells, okay? Debts and equities. So if some ULIP invests in equities, then you can get the returns of the equities as such, okay? That's why ULIP is a plan which gives you investment as well as insurance. Now let me discuss about the batches. Here the batches recently started. All the 4 subjects are covered: ABM, PPB, IFS, AFM and Retail Banking and Wealth Management. 80% discount is going on the scheme, on the batch. Double validity on Mahapacks. So in 80% discount means whatever the fees is here, strike down to 80%. So that's the huge thing, okay? Double validity on Mahapack. Mahapack means 12 plus batches, okay? Always remember, 12 plus 15 plus batches per subject. 15 plus batches per subject means even if you attend a batch singly, you'll learn it, okay? Let me show you. Yeah, put the code Y432. Okay, let me show you how to get this. Let's go to Adda 24/7 live, okay? If you're having the app, go on the app. In fact, I would suggest you should go on the app because there is a coin system. The more the coins of yours, the more the discount you get. You get roughly 1% extra in this, okay? So click on JAIIB and CIB, then click on JAIIB. You'll see the batches. See this. Click on this English batch, okay? Right? Then you'll see the details. What are the dates? What are the timings? Then what are the study plans? Everything. It's a two-way interactive class. Remember, so you can definitely get the questions sorted immediately, the doubts clarified immediately. Recorded videos are available 24/7, right? Then ebooks are available. So what all do you want? Okay, look at the fees part. Now 19,999 has already reduced to 4,399, 78% off. Click on more offers. I'll give you 80% off. Okay, put the code Y432, apply. Now look at this. 19,999 reduces to 3,999.99. Okay, so 3,999 means roughly huge discounts you are getting. Okay, go for it. Also, I would suggest you can go for Mahapack. In Mahapack, you are getting 15 plus batches per subject. Okay, so 15 plus per subject. This is JAIIB, CIB, Mahapack. Okay, click on JAIIB ka Mahapack over here. You'll see the details. See, 15 plus batches for all the JAIIB subjects. Case study batches are available. Recorded videos are available. Full length mock tests are available. Ebooks are available. Whatever you want is available. Okay. Yeah. So click on more offers. Now put the code Y432. Now look at this. Apply. Now look at the fees. 32,796 reduces to 6,559. 80% off you are getting. So go for it immediately. It's an investment for lifetime. Okay. So once you clear this JAIIB, in how many months will you recover the full amount? Hardly 12 months. Yeah, you'll recover everything, and remaining everything is yours. Okay. So go for it. Tomorrow I'll be back with another series. Till then, Keep studying and importantly join the batches ASAP.